As the train started moving, the outside world turned increasingly misty and mysterious. Lily gazed out of the window, and in the distance she heard sirens. The passengers exchanged worried glances. When the train's lights suddenly went out, darkness enveloped the train, filling the passengers with. After their time in the haunted house, the train journey became even more chilling. It was no longer an ordinary trip, but a journey into a realm of fear. They had to contend with demons and mysteries that seemed beyond comprehension. To survive, they had no choice but to rely on each other. Finally, the train came to a halt in the heart of a dark forest. Lily and the other passengers saw the eerie shadows of terrifying creatures and felt the forest's misty atmosphere engulfing them. It seemed like there was no place for humans in this forsaken land. Lily and the others fought for survival in the forest, navigating through shadows and confronting grotesque entities. They had ventured far from the reality they knew, and their once peaceful train journey had transformed into a nightmare. As they began to unravel the secrets of the haunted house and the forest, they realized that the place was cursed with a dark history. Throughout their journey, they had leaned on each other and faced their worst fears. The train finally ceased its journey in the depths of the forest. The passengers emerged from this nightmare journey, but the impact of their experience would stay with them for a lifetime. Every train ride would now carry the memory of this terrifying adventure, and Lily knew just how much scarier the real world could be compared to this